from the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, more wet weather likely for all of Acadiana as we head through the overnight hours. The eastern portions of Acadiana late tonight. Lafayette on westward, it's going to be rain mixed with some storms and the threat of more flooding. And there's some big flooding going on right now. So let's get to the weather well, show you what's going on. And normally we've been showing you of late, thanks to our new technology, 9 Doppler radars. Well, we're down to 8. Why? Well, when we were getting hit by lightning right around 6 o'clock, shortly thereafter, Lake Charles lost communications. Well, they have their radar, but we've lost communications to their radar because of the lightning across the area. So it's been a busy pattern. You can see all the rain and storms across the region put things in motion. You can see still heavy rains back toward Texas. Widespread rain and storms covering half of the state from Lafayette on northwestward, south and east. It still hasn't been too bad. And unfortunately, more heavy rainfall pouring into Cameron Parish that is already seen upwards of a foot of rain and just over the last 5 to 6 hours. So there's flooding, high water rescues ongoing right on the Cameron Calcasieu Parish line where fire departments involved rescuing people from high water. And you can see got a little bit of what we call a mesoconvective complex. It's a kind of a mini area of low pressure, and this is producing very heavy rainfall rates. So now the heavy rains moving into Jeff Davis Parish, also Acadia Parish. We kind of bring in just Power Doppler 3 here so we can give you the high details of what's going on, the high resolution details. And you can see that heavy rainfall across Jeff Davis into Acadia Parish. Rains in Vermilion Parish, not too terribly heavy, but solid. And they're moving toward Lafayette Parish as well. And these are the storms I'm concerned with right now, mostly because of heavy rainfall just to the west of the Lake Arthur area up through I-10 in the Jennings area. And these areas have already seen some very heavy rainfall. And we're seeing that just between Welsh and Jennings right now crossing I-10, and then as you go farther to the south, it's awfully heavy down toward the Thornwell area, over toward Lake Arthur, Lowry, very heavy rains. And scanning the Doppler, taking a look to see if we see any storm tracking. Well, there is the possibility of some small hail showing up, mainly pea-size hail, and probably wind gusts in the 30-40 mile per hour range. And again, this could just be big raindrops when it just says maximum hail size of 1/10 of an inch. That's just big old raindrops and very heavy rainfall falling. So as we go farther to the east, you can see the action across Acadia Parish into Vermilion Parish. Not much going on St. Martin, Iberia, and St. Mary parishes, but this activity will be slowly progressing eastward overnight tonight, and some of these locally heavy downpours working their way into Lafayette. A little bit of a shower moving through the Broussard area by the lake by the airport over towards Cypress Lake, and we do think we're going to see more action overnight tonight. So flood watch has been extended for most of Acadiana now, including Vermilion, Lafayette, St. Landry parishes on westward, and this is through Saturday morning. I think the bulk of the rains, the heavy rain threat diminishes by tomorrow afternoon or evening, but we'll have more rain perhaps tomorrow night into Saturday. And these are where the flash flood warnings have occurred. 6 to 12 inches of rain in this area, and I got a couple of ground truths reported from a couple of rain gauges over here. And look at this, 12, 13 inches of rain indicated by the Doppler radar in Cameron Parish. Most of this is in the marsh, but some of it's not. It goes through the Hackberry area, and then you get down to the coast, and you can see upwards of 8 inches as you get closer to the southern portion of Calcasieu Parish, closer to home. A couple of inches of rain, but a solid 4 showing up across portions of Acadia Parish back through Jeff Davis Parish. So more rain and storms overnight tonight. So we'll be concerned with flooding, not so much in the way of severe weather. And then as we head into tomorrow, you can see it's active. And again, the model's not exact, but you can see it's a very active pattern through at least tomorrow evening. Then hopefully things quiet down a little bit. We'll see more on and off rain at least through Saturday morning, but Saturday afternoon and evening looking better, and it will stay on the cooler side. Additional rainfall per the HER model. This is why we're concerned. More heavy rains, at least 2 to 3 in areas that have already gotten a foot of rain. Elsewhere, you're going to get a lot less, but you could put a 3 or 4 incher just about anywhere on the map here, and you wouldn't be be wrong. So we'll be watching this through the overnight hours, and stay with us, KATC, and social media for the latest Doppler updates. Of course, KATC.com as well. So 100% chance of rain and storms. It's going to be a noisy night out there with on and off rains continuing, morning showers and some storms with scattered activity in the afternoon. So it's more solid at 90% in the morning, in the 40 to 50% range for tomorrow afternoon. 60% through early Saturday, but Saturday afternoon's looking better. Easter's looking pretty good. Maybe a few showers Sunday night into Monday or Tuesday. We are looking at a little unsettled and cloudy conditions, but the sun comes back out and some beautiful weather mid to late next week. That's it for weather for now. Now over to Jim.